Hi everybody, I'm doing photography for installing aluminium. So this is my bag. What I usually come with, take pictures of apartments and stuff like that. I got myself a new lens, Sigma 12 to 24 f-stop 4 for the whole way. This is really good if you have rooms. I could get the whole room inside the camera. And my camera, it's a 5D Mark II. It's still old. It's old camera, but it's still usable. And my lens, 70 to 200 f-stop 1.8, no 2.8, Canon full frame. This is my GoPro bag, and I have see this wireless microphone. I have also one microphone and a camera, and one I'm using now. This is all of that aluminium stuff. You can see it's doing closing and press it, so you can see it's working. So this is more or less what I do day to day. Take pictures of people and videos of people working and doing renovation. Okay, have a good day. Bye.